Are you ready for a butt lift challenge to get a bubble butt? Hi everybody, this is Jen here from Authentic Energy, your body confidence builder. Every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday, I'm here to give you the best tips on body confidence building and personal transformation. So today, I'm going to show you three moves you can do at home with no equipment, maybe with the help of a couch, to help you get a bubble butt. And trust me, if you do these three moves every day for 2 weeks, you'll really start to see the result. So are we ready? Let's go! every day for 2 weeks and you will see the result. I'm looking forward to all of your bubble butts. Please send me the photos when you have it. And just remember, you have to do 3 rounds for each move. The first round is 15, second round 10, last round is 5. Okay, so you decrease the reps by 5 each time. All right, and that's all we have for today. If you enjoyed the episode, make sure you give yourself a thumbs up, share and comment below. And if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell. Because this year, I'm committed to helping all of you build a confident body and build a confident life. Okay, so I'll see you guys next time. Bye.